Hi everyone, this is in continuation to my last video, which is about how we can boost our immunity and give best defense against coronavirus infection, which is the current crisis that we all are facing. And yes, of course, we have to maintain the social distancing and everything. However, keeping our immune system boosted and immune system of our elderly population, especially our parents and everybody who are more vulnerable in this time, will be very useful. So I'm in addition to what I spoke about last time, which is basically the oral nutraceuticals, which can be helpful in keeping our immune system up, I'm talking about two important therapies. One is intravenous high dose vitamin C therapy, and there's been a trial which has been conducted in China. And there is an official report which is coming, and it has been very successful, and I'm just putting the link at the bottom of my page and you can have a look at it. So in this trial, basically Dr. Chang has undertaken this trial in already COVID positive patients, and he has seen a very successful result where the body developed capacity to fight this infection majorly, and none of the people who went under this trial had to undergo extreme morbidity. So high dose vitamin C can be one therapy which can certainly be used as a preventative measure in current times, and I would urge you to consider looking at this. Second therapy which I want to talk about is intravenous ozonated saline therapy, which we do in our clinic, and since ozone is a known bactericidal, virucidal and fungicidal, and we've been using it for many of our patients, especially like those who are suffering from candida or from Lyme disease or from EBV, and now we are using it for people who are more vulnerable, and they already have some flu-like symptoms, and they're very worried. So we use this therapy, and they recover in maximum 2 to 3 days. So intravenous ozone therapy and high dose vitamin C therapy can be considered in addition to taking the nutritional supplementation which I spoke about last time, which is basically taking zinc, magnesium, vitamin D, keeping the levels up, and beta carotene to keep your vitamin A levels up, and also nanocurcumin, which can be very useful, and all sorts of herbal concoctions which basically work on improving your immune system, keeping yourself hydrated the whole day. In addition to all these, which you can do at home, you can also look at considering doing high dose intravenous vitamin C therapy and the ozone therapy. I hope these tips are beneficial to you, and I hope you are able to protect yourself and your family against this infection. Thank you so much for hearing me out.